Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word vertebrate. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Birds, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and fish are all examples of vertebrates. A vertebrate is an animal with a backbone or spine, such as mammals, fish, and birds. They have an internal skeletal system that supports and protects their internal organs. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.